Hey guys, this is Roto. So today is a bad day for me because the M2 got into an accident. So you can see here that there's a long scratch on my windshield, and then you can see that there's a dent here, right there. And so it looks like the roof needs to be replaced. Same thing with the windshield. If you're wondering if there's other damages, the damage continues all the way up to here. So you can see the scratch all the way to the rear part of the roof. So if you're wondering what happened, it's because, so there was like a trailer on the right side of the car, right? And one of the windows wasn't properly latched, and it was windy today, and so what happened was, well, the wind blew the window and it hit the M2. So I mean, I think this is where I can say, like, just shit happens. So there's can't really do anything about it, and I've tried to clean the car today, and I want to make sure that there isn't any additional damage, because I'm pretty sure that it just hit this part. So let's see if it's gonna focus on that. There you go. Just a sad day. Even though the car is fully covered in XPEL Ultimate, the force of the flying window just was strong enough to actually leave a dent. You can see here that this one as well, and so paint protection film can just protect you for just little rocks flying, so you don't get like rock chips. But yeah, that's it. I don't know how much this will cost, and I'll leave it up to the insurance. His insurance, not my insurance, because I wasn't at fault. And I'll keep you guys up to date. But I typically say TGIF, and it's good to be on Friday because you're gonna go home. But as far as what happened today, well, it sucks. So there you go. Again, this is the extent of the damage. Want to make sure that I take a video of it. And let's see. I don't think there's any more damage, but I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm sure they're gonna do a great job of fixing this. One of my worries is, that the damage is large enough that it's gonna get reported on Carfax as an accident, and so I don't know. I don't plan on selling this car, so I guess we'll see. So that's about it, guys. You guys drive safely and, have a good weekend. M2's okay. I'm just sad. Alright. Later, guys.